children, hope that you are good and well in different places of the world wherever you are, and you keep enjoying with the lesson we are keep uploading on this channel. As usual, this is our model lesson of mathematics. I'm teacher Cassian. We are on grade 2, and the unit we are going to talk about is unit number 4, which is called simultaneous linear equation and inequality. And the lesson of today is the definition and solution of simultaneous linear equations. Key unit competence is to be able to solve word problem involving simultaneous linear equation and inequality. Remember, children, within our society, sometimes we face with different problems, and we as students, because of the knowledge and skills we are getting from schools, we want to solve those problems either by using this kind of simultaneous linear equation or an inequality. Good. Our lesson has 3 objectives, and objective number 1 is define a simultaneous linear equation, and number 2, give and construct simultaneous linear equation and solve simultaneous linear equation. Children, make sure at the end of this unit know these 3 objectives. Good. Now, let's see what is simultaneous linear equation. In mathematics, a system of linear equation is a collection of 2 or more linear equations involving the same variables. What does it mean? Remember, senior 1, we talked about linear equation, and we said that a linear equation is an equation that gives a line when it is plotted on a graph, and it has the 2 variables. Now, when we make those equations which are linear equation and make them together, they make or they form a system of this form. Now, that system of linear equation is given called a simultaneous linear equation. So this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Now, when you put them together, they make a system, and this system is what you call simultaneous linear equation. Now, let us see some examples of simultaneous linear equations. Remember, children, this is our form. This is our form of simultaneous linear equation, whereby a1 and a2, these are coefficient of x, and b1 and b2 are the coefficient of y, where c1 and c2 are constant number. Now, by coming back to our examples, this is x plus 2y equals 6, and 2x minus 5y equal 12. So here there is a coefficient 1, here there is a coefficient 2, this is a constant number 6, this is a coefficient of x which is equal to 2, and this is a coefficient of y which is equal to -5, and this is a constant number which is equal to 12. The same here to this example number 2. We have 2a plus 3b which is equal to 8, and we have 3a plus b which is equal to 5. For as you have seen the way how we construct the simultaneous linear equation, you yourself you can write different examples of simultaneous linear equation. Good. After knowing what is simultaneous linear equation and different examples of simultaneous linear equation, now we are going to see how to solve a simultaneous linear equation. Dear friends, by solving simultaneous linear equation, there are different methods to be used when we want to solve simultaneous linear equation. But the lesson of today, we have to emphasize the method number 1, which is known as substitution. Substitution method. How do we solve simultaneous linear equation by using substitution method? As the word itself means substitution, there is a word to substitute, verb to substitute. It means to replace. When we are solving a simultaneous linear equation by using substitution method, first of all we have to find the value of one variable and then take that value of one variable, then you replace within the second equation. Now let us see one example, then we see if we are able to solve such a simultaneous linear equation by using this method, which is known as substitution. Example number 1, solve the following simultaneous linear equation. This is our simultaneous we are going to solve by using substitution. Very good. So now this let's call this equation number 1 and let's call this equation number 2. After naming this equation of ours, now we are going to solve them. As we have said, we take value of one variable in equation number 1, then we replace in equation number 2. Remember, equation number 1 is y, which is equal to 2x plus 1. This is equation number 1. If we quote equation number 1, we are going to replace in equation number 2. The equation number 2 was 5x plus 3y, which is equal to 14. Now take this value of y, which is equal to 2x plus 1. Now replace in equation number 2. So here, so it means y, we are going to replace the value of y here. So it means we have 5x plus 3y, and remember y is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1, and this is equal to 14. Now we have to remove this bracket. We shall remain 5x plus 6x plus 3, which is equal to 14. Now addition. When we add this 5x plus 6x, we have what? 11x, which is equal to 14 minus 3. Then 11x will be equal to 11. Then x will be equal to 11 divided by 11. Now x will be equal to 1. This is the value of x. Now to find the value of y, of course, we have to substitute this value of x in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Whatever you want, you can replace. Now let's take this value of x, which is equal to 1, then replace it in equation number 1. Remember, equation number 1 is equal to y, which is 2x plus 1. Now y will be equal to 2x. Remember, x is equal to 1 plus 1, then y will be equal to 3. This is the value of y. Now let us check. By checking, we have to replace our values x and y in our equations. So remember, equation number 1 was y, which is equal to 2x plus 1. Then by replacing the value of y, so 3, which is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, plus 1, it means 3 will be equal to 3. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 was 5x plus 3y, which is equal to 14, and 5x, it means 5 times 1 plus 3 times 3, whether it is equal to 14. Now here we have 5 plus 9, this is equal to 14. Now 14 is equal to 14, means we are right. It means that the values of x and y we have find after solving our system equation by using substitution method are right, whereby x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Let us see the second example to be sure whether we are good at solving simultaneous linear equation by using substitution method. Here we have the second example. Y plus 4 is equal to x and 2x plus 5y equal 43. As we have said at the beginning, we have said that by using substitution method, first of all, we have to find the value of one variable. Allow me find the value of y. On first equation, y will be equal to x minus 4. Of course, this is number 1, this is number 2, and let's call it this is number 3. Now take this equation number 3, you replace it in equation number 2. Okay, then we get what? We get 2x plus 5y, and y is equal to this. So 5y, x minus 4, this is equal to 43. Now, remove this bracket, you have 2x plus 5x minus 20, this is equal to 43. Now, solve for x, we remain 7x, which is equal to 43 plus 20. Then 7x will be equal to 63. Now x will be equal to 63 divided by 7. Then x will be equal to 9. This is the value of x. Now after finding the value of x, it is very easy to find the value of y. Remember, y is equal to y, which is equal to x minus 4. Now by taking the value of x, then you place it here, it is very easy to find the value of y. So y will be equal to x, which is equal to 9 minus 4, then y will be equal to 5. So these are the values of x and y on our system of linear equation. Hope you have understood well the way how to solve a simultaneous linear equation by using this method, which is known as substitution method. Now here we have some practice questions to help you to know a lot the way how we solve simultaneous linear equation by using simultaneous. Equation number 1, here we have y which is equal to 2x minus 3 and 5x minus 3y which is equal to 11. Then equation number 2, 2y which is equal to 4x plus 5 and 9x plus 5y which is equal to 22. Then equation number 3, 3x plus 4y which is equal to 8 and 2x minus y which is equal to negative 13. So try to solve this equation wherever you are, and you will tell me in the comment if you are good at trying to solve a simultaneous linear equation by using substitution method. Thank you very much for your attention, and hope if you are satisfied with this lesson, make a subscribe and share with your colleagues wherever they are. Thank you very much. See you soon.